Truthfulness in appreciation. When a Muslim becomes heedful, they can then observe the countless blessings, both old and new, which have been granted to them by none other than Allah, the Exalted. The older blessings include Allah, the Exalted, remembering a Muslim before He created them, and blessing them with belief and faith in Him. Then He caused time to pass until He set the Muslim in the best of communities, namely, the nation of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Then Allah, the Exalted, guided the Muslim during their youth, protecting them from abandoning Islam. Even though the Muslim had moments of heedlessness and committed sins, yet Allah, the Exalted, did not take revenge and punish them. Instead, He covered their faults and extended His forgiveness to them. All this and much more requires gratitude from a Muslim, which consists of three kinds. The first is from the heart. This is when one acknowledges all blessings come from Allah, the Exalted, and corrects their intention so that they only act to please Allah, the Exalted. The next kind of gratitude is showing on one's tongue by continuously praising Him and mentioning His great kindness. The final kind, which is the highest level of gratitude, is shown through physical actions. This is when one uses all the blessings they possess in the way commanded by Allah, the Exalted, sincerely for His pleasure. This leads to an increase in blessings. Chapter 14, Ibrahim, verse 7.
And remember when your Lord proclaimed, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase you in favor."
A Muslim must understand that they can only show gratitude through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, which in itself deserves gratitude. This attitude will ensure one remains grateful and humble at all times. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.